Let us now move on. The Enforcement Directorate has withdrawn its plea in the Bombay High Court against NCP Ajit Pawar faction leader Chhagan Bhujbal and his nephew Sameer Bhujbal, which sought to quash a 2018 ruling in their favour. But quite interestingly, the ED has said that it is unable to find its own plea copy against the Bhujbals. In 2016, Bhujbal and his family were arrested on money laundering charges related to the Maharashtra Southern scam while he was in the opposition. They were granted bail by the High Court in May 2018, and the ED had in fact contested this order through a 2018 plea filed before the High Court. Although the petitions were filed in 2018, they recently came up for a hearing, and during September and October this very year, the ED informed the court that it could not locate its own petition against the Bhujbals. Shweta is joining me on the phone line. Shweta, quite bizarre and interesting when the ED has gone ahead and withdrawn its plea in the Bombay High Court against NCP Ajit Pawar faction leader Chhagan Bhujbal, claiming that they are unable to find the plea, their own plea, which they had in fact filed with the Bombay High Court in 2018.
Well, that's absolutely correct. In fact, interestingly, we just inform our viewers is that Bhujbal and some of his family members were arrested by Enforcement Directorate in the year 2016 on charges of financial misappropriation in Maharashtra Southern scam. That was one of the biggest scam in 2016. And till 2018, Chhagan Bhujbal was behind the bars. After 2 years, between 2 years, let me inform you that there was also an additional application filed by Enforcement Directorate when it came to his passport renewal, and ED wanted the passport renewal not to happen in the fear that they might leave the country. That was a normal procedure what is being followed by the agency. But then when this hearing has come up to Bombay High Court for the hearing, Bombay High Court wanted to know about their petition, and ED stated that they do not know exactly their petition was all about what. And for that, ED has requested the Bombay High Court to cancel the petition, and Bombay High Court said that it won't be disposed of. You take it end from your side. And eventually what has happened is that Bombay High Court directed and Enforcement Directorate has taken out the petitions which were the charges against Bhujbal and some of his family members were out. So particularly in this passport renewal case, the ED has taken out the petition, but the case of the PMLA, that remains the same in this entire process.
Shweta, is there a reaction that is coming in from Chhagan Bhujbal and his family on this regard?
Well, we have not able to hear anything or any sort of official statement that is being released by Bhujbal family as of now, as Nagpur sessions are underway, and the family members, including him and his nephew, are there in Nagpur. But yes, when it comes to ED, very interestingly, before the Bombay High Court, when it comes to passport renewal application, they said that they do not remember exactly where they have put, and the petition is all about what. The rest of the case on Maharashtra Southern scam is remaining the same. Only this chunk has been disposed of by the Bombay High Court.
All right. Shweta, appreciate you giving us the details. Stay on with